giant who's taller than its owner when standing up? Yep, it's a Great Dane. Great Danes are the tallest dog breed in the world. When they stand on their hind legs, they can be over 7 feet 3 inches tall. They might look intimidating, but truth is, they're total gentle giants. They're super friendly, especially with kids, and they almost never show aggression. Their prey drive is also really low, so they get along surprisingly well with cats and other small pets. They bond easily and love having company. On the outside, they look like a jacked personal trainer, but personality wise, they're just big old couch potatoes. Their favorite activity? Napping on the couch all day long. And don't even think about leaving them alone too long. If you're gone for a few hours, they'll let you know how they feel by sitting their entire body weight right on your lap. Great Danes also come in lots of coat colors. There's the classic spotted look, the golden brown that looks kind of like a farm dog, and one that honestly just looks like it's growing mold in the cutest way possible.